Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install door casing in a corner when the corner is actually narrower than the trim. For this we're going to be using a 1x4. I like this in a garage and stuff because it keeps it nice and neat and it's rather inexpensive. I'm also going to be using a carpenter's pencil and a trim gun hooked to an air compressor. For this job you're also going to need a table saw and a compound saw. If you don't have one, see if you can take it over to a friend's house or a hardware store and they'll cut it for you. What you want to do is go ahead and take the trim and put it where it's going to go, only put it on backwards. The reason being, we're going to take and mark a line here and cut this side, and then when you put it on, you're going to flip it around and put the cut side against the wall. That way, on the outside in the jamb, it's going to be a nice smooth cut. Put your trim in the corner and press firmly where it's going to go, and make a line on the back side on the inside of the jamb. After that, you want to go ahead and take your tape measure and measure the height of your jamb. That way you can put your 45-degree angle or miter cut at the top. As you see here, we have a 45-degree miter cut at the top of the board. And yeah, it's narrower than the other. So what you want to do is take your board and put it on top of it and go ahead and mark a line there so you know where to cut. After you have all your pieces cut, it's time to install. So go ahead and place your trim back where it's going to go and put a couple nails in to hold it in place. After you get the sideboard on, go ahead and make sure your top piece fits. If it does, tack it into place. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to install door casing in a corner when it's narrower in the trim. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.